Hey there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video I'll be unboxing UAG case for 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now you can buy this online on Amazon or directly from its official seller's website techitech.com. It is available at 6,999 rupees and it comes in ice color. Now this is the box. This has branding and it says designed for MacBook Pro 13-inch. And here's a preview of how it looks, and it says Plyo series case. On the back there is preview again, and towards the bottom there are few highlights. Let's unbox this. There is a magnet mechanism. Just open this and pull the case out. It's pretty simple unboxing and feels pretty nice. Now this is how the case looks like. It's a hard shell case. Now let me put this on the MacBook Pro. This is how the front looks like. It says UAG towards top. We can clearly see the lid of the laptop. There's a handle-like area near the front. This case has tactile grip that provides secure handling even in wet or slippery conditions. It is an armor shell and it has impact-resistant bumpers. And this is how the back looks like. It says UAG in the middle and there are cutouts for ventilation. And there are rubber feet on 4 corners. This case meets military drop test standards, and overall, it is a rugged case for your MacBook Pro. So guys, that's the case for MacBook Pro. Now for anyone who stays at home most of the time, or you're not going to take your MacBook Pro anywhere outside, then this case might not be for you. But if you go on trekking and want to take this MacBook with you, or you're a regular traveler, then for all-round protection and a great case, you can definitely go with this one. By the way, if you're planning to buy this case and you're looking for the best deal, you can buy it on techitech website, where you can always get a 7% discount if you buy anything over 750 rupees. You can even get a 10% discount by following their social handles. That's pretty much it for this video. If you're planning to buy this, use the links in the description. It always helps the channel. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.